Aloha! So for this assignment, I would love to present on the book that I was able to read for this semester, entitled "The Achievement Habit: Stop Wishing, Start Doing, and Take Command of Your Life" by Bernard Roth. So to start with, I would love to present a brief summary of the book. Okay, let's see. So it was written by Dr. Bernard Roth in July 2015. So Dr. Roth is a well-known professor of engineering at Stanford University. He has written many articles and has received awards for it. And in this specific book, he introduced the concept of the power of design thinking, which is a set of practical practices that are useful and efficient in decision making, solving challenges and solving problems that help us to achieve goals that we might think not possible to reach and complete. Also give us the feeling of empowerment to change ourselves and make a difference for a better life. It also involves problem solving, creativity, communication skills, and life adjustments. So throughout the book, Dr. Roth presents different principles, such as the difference between trying and doing, the reasons why we're providing so much reasons to explain our behavior, the language that we use, and how we see ourselves and through others. So to continue, I would like to provide the most impactful lessons that I was able to get from this book personally. So the first one would be stop giving reasons. They're just another form of excuses. Second, swap but for and in everything that we say. And three, achievement has a lot to do with self-image. So just to go over the first one, that we need to stop looking for excuses everywhere, and then because it is actually blocking us from making decision and changing our behavior. So we need to stop that, be honest with ourselves, and be freer with time. The second one is to swap but and in everything that we say. So we have the use of the language. We see how by changing the way that we use the verbs and words that we use, that actually make those small changes in our language will empower us with a greater feeling of control in our lives. And then we also introduce the concept of reframing, how changing our perspective on a certain issue or situation or problem will actually help us to come up with a new idea. Three, achievement has a lot to do with self-image. We see how when we perceive ourselves as risk takers, we are most likely gonna do it, like take risk and do it. So it goes by examine ourselves, evaluate, and reshape the way that we see ourselves and others. So how do I apply this to my personal business idea? So definitely gonna be more focused on the change that we see as individuals, as a business. Also stop providing excuses to not accomplish certain tasks necessary. And three, evaluate ourselves and individuals. So the changes that I will bring to my business idea would be to emphasize and implement this concept of the power of design thinking, empathize, define, ideate, prototype, and test, and how through the processing of the bakery. And in personal goal, I would love to change the way that I speak, stop justifying my faults, and have a positive image of myself. That's all. Thank you.